Hi, I'm Ambarishnath, entrepreneur and founder of SkillYogi. For the past 5 years, I have successfully built 3 businesses from scratch and helped numerous customers across the world and have leveraged to communicate using WhatsApp business to help out our business to grow with very low investment. Join me in this course so you can learn and become an expert in WhatsApp business to help you grow your business. Today, everyone has a smartphone, and these 3 apps that are there always on each smartphone. Number one, Facebook, YouTube, WhatsApp. WhatsApp Business is a useful app to keep in direct touch with your customers who are looking for instant information regarding your business, product, or service. And this tool can be harnessed to reach out to your customers and improve customer relation and sales. In this course, you will learn what is WhatsApp Business, from installing it to mastering it, so you can automate and communicate with numerous customers simultaneously. This course will enable you to reach out to your existing customers, leads, and keep them updated regarding your business, product, service to help you communicate with new leads who want more information about you. So in this video, we will look into the difference between WhatsApp Business and normal WhatsApp. So the first and the key difference between WhatsApp Business and normal WhatsApp is your account in WhatsApp Business is shown as a business entity with all details pertaining to a business like opening hours, website, location, address, etc. There is an option of labels which helps you to identify customers, leads very easily. Here you can see new customers, new orders, pending payment. You can easily label your customers because when you're using WhatsApp Business, you will get a lot of leads, you will get a lot of chats. And if you have 500, 600 or maybe 1000 chats, it is impossible to keep track of everything and save each and every number. So you can easily label them and segregate them as per your requirement. WhatsApp Business has this option of automated messages where you can respond instantly to your customers and leads. So when you are not present and not active and are unable to reply to your customers or leads, WhatsApp Business has this option of automated messages which will help you respond instantly to the leads to your customers. Because when you're away from your business, you are unable to respond quickly. Using greeting message and away message, you can respond to your customers, letting them know the situation. If you're away from the business, they will get an idea that you are away from the business or your business is closed right now. Or initially, if the customer is reaching out to you, you can send them an automated greeting message which will make them feel better. And also there is an option of quick replies, and this is the biggest reason for me for using WhatsApp Business. This will make your life very easy. You can easily send repeated messages to your customer very easily within few seconds. Within 2 seconds, if you remember the shortcuts, we have explained everything in details in this course. So in this video, we will see how you can register your phone number in WhatsApp Business. And once you open a WhatsApp Business app on your phone, you will see this layout. Then you have to click on agree and continue. Here you have to input your phone number. So here you can see you can select the country code that you want. If you have an India number which starts with 91, you can select India. Or you can select any country that you are from and which number you are going to register. If you want to choose another country, you can click where the India is written. You will find a list of countries. You have to select the country that you belong to or you have the number of. And after selecting that country, you have to input the number that you are using, your number which you are going to register on WhatsApp Business. Please make sure that the number you are using is active and can receive call and SMS. After you have input the number, press on next. And you have to check the number. If you are okay with the number, click on OK. And a 6-digit OTP will be sent to your phone number that you have used here. And you have to enter the 6-digit code here. You can also use the call me option as well, where you will receive a call on the number that you have put here and a code will be said. So after listening to that code, you have to input the code here and verification will take place. And after verification has done, if you have any Google Drive backup of WhatsApp, then you can restore that. If you don't have a backup, then it's fine. You can continue. Allow WhatsApp Business to access your contact. You have to click on allow and allow as well. And you have successfully registered your WhatsApp number. So after the verification has been done, you will see this layout. You can put up the name, you can choose the category, you can put up a photo here. You can change it later on easily. So you don't need to bother about these things right now. And you have to click on next. Now you have successfully registered your phone number on WhatsApp Business. And in the next video, we will see how you can put up all the business information in WhatsApp Business very easily. So in this video, we will learn about quick replies. So first we need to understand what is quick replies and why is it vital for your WhatsApp business account. So when a lot of customers or leads are reaching out to you and they want information regarding your product, business, service, you have to send a single message or few messages repeatedly every time. It might be sample links to your product, pricing list, it can be anything. But the content is the same. You have to regularly send it again and again and again. So there are two options that you have. Either you type in all the content that you have to send, or you can just copy paste. If you want to type, it takes a lot of time. And if you want to copy, it also takes time. You have to copy from another chat and you have to copy, paste, do the whole work altogether, which takes at least 10 seconds, right? If you calculate, you might be thinking that, yeah, I do it within 5 seconds, 3 seconds, or even 4 seconds, 5 seconds, 7 seconds, whatever it might be. But using quick replies, you can send that information or that message within 2 seconds very easily. It's very easy. And quick replies is going to improve your productivity a lot. And this is the biggest reason that you should use quick replies on WhatsApp Business. To access quick replies, you need to go to menu. Once you go to menu, you need to go to settings and business settings. So here you can see at the bottom of messaging tools, there is quick replies. You need to click there. And right now we have few options here. We have few quick replies added to this list. But if you don't have any quick replies added here, you can most definitely do that very easily. To add any quick reply, you need to click on the green icon down here. And here you can write down the message that you want, that you have to send repeatedly to your customers. So here you can see we have written down the message. It can be a long message, but not a very long one. And right now, just below that, we have this option called shortcut. So what is shortcut? Shortcut is a way to assign any keyword to this quick reply. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe ABC. It can be anything. If I can put it GH or PH or whatever is convenient for you, because it should be easily remember. You should be able to easily remember the keyword and the shortcut. So whenever you are having conversation with your customers, whenever they need that specific reply, you can just remember off the top and send the message very easily. So I'll just put in maybe GH, and keywords is optional. You can put it, it's not very mandatory. You can just ignore that. So what we have done here is we have added a quick reply. Right now we will go and save it. And as you can see, we have used /GH. So whenever we use /GH, this message will come up and we are going to see how it works. We'll go back. We'll go to any chat. It can be a broadcast list. It can be a personal chat. It can be a group. And once we have here, what we can do is we need to put /. And once we put / here, you can see all the shortcuts that you have. You can see all the quick replies that you have saved on your device. You can easily access it from here. And if you want to put up any specific message, as we have saved right now, we had put up GH. Here you can see this quick reply has come up. And once we click on it, this reply will come up, the message that we had saved, and we can just send it. Again, if you want to send it, it's very easy, very easy. See how fast am I doing it. It's very simple and easy, and it's very easy. It took me 2 seconds to send it. Very easy. I've sent 4 messages within a span of maybe 10 seconds. So this is very fast, and this is the best reason, and this is the biggest reason I would definitely encourage you to use WhatsApp Business for your business account. You can also use this feature from your WhatsApp Business and it becomes even more faster on your WhatsApp Business. So let's see how it works. And there is one easy option if you want to save any message that you have sent as quick reply. For example, right now what we have done is we have sent a message to our customers and we want to save this message as a quick reply in our database. So what I will do is I'll just hold on the text or the chat where I have sent the message. And if I want to save this message in our quick reply database, I'm going to go to menu, and here you can see there is an option called quick reply, add to quick reply. So I can directly add this message as a quick reply. I don't need to type it in again and again. I can just save this message as a quick reply. I'll put any shortcut, maybe TY or whatever that suits you, which you can remember very easily. And I'll click on save. So once I'm done with that, I have saved this message. This message in our quick reply database. So what I'm going to use, if I want to recall it, the shortcut was TY. Again, I'm going to send it. Very easy and very simple. Here you go. So this is how very easily you can save any message in your quick reply database from your chat. So right now we are going to look into how you can use quick replies feature on your WhatsApp web. It's very easy and simple. In later videos in this course, we have discussed about how you can use web.whatsapp very easily. So if you want, the process is the same. The process that we saw in the app itself is the same thing which you need to apply on WhatsApp web. To access quick replies, you need to press / and you can save any of the quick replies that you have saved on your device. And if you remember the keyword, you can type it in, press enter and press enter again. So this is how very easily you can write down anything and send quick replies very easily. So once you press enter, you can change. You have the flexibility of changing anything or adding anything or removing anything. And again, if you press enter, the message will be sent. So this is how very easily you can send any message to your customers. Like, it's very fast. As you can see, it's very fast. You just need to remember the shortcut, and here you go. You can send messages very easily. I'm sending message. It takes me less than 1 second. It's very easy, very fast, and very convenient. So in this way, you can improve your productivity, you can improve the outreach to your customers, and you can respond to your customers very quickly and very swiftly. So this is the biggest reason I would again say that you should use WhatsApp Business. So in this video, we will learn about how to use short link and what is the use and how easily you can share your WhatsApp number with your customers and use it for marketing. So as you know, your Facebook page, your Twitter page, your Instagram page has a link. If you want people to like your page or at least go to your page link, you need to share the link of your profile. It's very easy and simple. But what will you do if you want to share your WhatsApp business details? So WhatsApp Business has that solution for you. You can share a link of your WhatsApp business number with people for marketing, sales. So people can reach out to you using that link on WhatsApp Business. So to access that, what you need to do is you need to go to menu and you need to go to settings. And after you go to settings, you will see all the details here. And again, you have to go to business settings. And here on the third option, you will see the third option is short link. You need to click here. So this is what short link is. This is the direct link to your WhatsApp business number. And another thing, to share the WhatsApp business link, you can copy or you can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever that you want. Here, if you want to add a message, so the people who are using this link will be sending you a message very directly, you can write down the message here itself very easily. You can switch it off, switch it on. If you want to change it, you can change it very easily. For example, if I want people to use the link, the short link, and send me this message or use this keyword, so I'm going to write it down, SkillYogi courses, and I'll be copying this link and sharing it with a lot of people from whom I'm expecting a message. So let us use this link and share it with people and see how it works. So you can share the link. So this is the link. You can later on shorten the link using Bitly or other websites where they provide URL shortening. And whoever is going to click on this link will be sending you message on your WhatsApp business number with the message SkillYogi courses. So whoever is going to click on it, click on this link, this message is going to open up. Here you can see SkillYogi courses. We had used this keyword while creating the short link. So you can add any word that you want, any phrase that you want. So you will be able to understand from where the person is coming, the customer is coming, the lead is coming. So it will give you a very clear idea which marketing channel or which channel is working for you for lead generation or to get more customers. This is a very easy way of sharing your WhatsApp business number over the internet, over social media, so you can directly interact with your customers, and also you can gather their contact number, their active WhatsApp number. So in this video, we'll discuss how you can avoid spam recording on your number, because there is an option where people can report your number. So you don't want to irritate people, you want to educate them, you want to reach out to them to let them know about your business, product and service. You don't want to irritate them, right? So please keep in mind that when you are sending messages through broadcast list, through status, through individual chat, do not do more than once a day. do not do more than once a day and thrice a week, because you don't want them to hammer and send your promotional messages, videos, images every time with every 2 hours, every 3 hours. Because what will happen is it will act against you. People will be confused and they will be irritated by your messages. You don't want that. And how they can do that? They can easily do that. They will go to your profile and here they will report contact. They will easily report contact. And once a lot of people are doing the same thing and reporting your account to WhatsApp, WhatsApp will block your number and you will never be able to use your WhatsApp number, the number you were using, again. So you don't want that to happen to you. Avoid that. You can maintain a regular schedule, thrice a week, once a day, thrice a week, once a day. Or if you're sending out informational details such as news or updates, then you can definitely ask them the interval within which they want to receive the information. But if you are sending out promotional marketing messages and sales messages, you don't want to hammer them every time and get them irritated. So please keep this in mind. So once you have opened up and registered on WhatsApp web, I'll just walk you through all the details and all the aspects of web.whatsapp and how you can set up your file, profile picture, and how you can change various details of your business profile very easily. So as you can see, if you want to see your profile, the profile which you are using right now, you can click here on the icon itself, and through WhatsApp web, you can change the profile picture. If you want to change the profile picture, you can view the photo, you can take a photo through your webcam, you can upload a photo from your computer, and you can remove this photo to replace it with something else or completely remove it. Then if you want to change the name of your WhatsApp business, this is not accessible or this is not doable from web.whatsapp. What you can do is you can definitely change the name of your business from your mobile app itself. You don't have the access to change it from your computer. If you want to change the text in the about section, you can do it very easily through here. What you need to do, for example, if you want to change this text, what you need to do is you need to click on the pencil icon here. And once you click on the pencil icon, you can type in anything that you want. So here you can see you can very easily change the about section, and if you want to confirm the same, you have to click on the right icon, the tick mark icon here. If you don't do that, then the text that you have written in, that you have input, won't be saved. So what we will do is we'll click on this and we are done here. Again, we'll go back, and if you want to check statuses, like the option that we have, status option that we have on WhatsApp app, if you want to check status given by others and how many people have seen your status, you can definitely check that by clicking here. So here you can see very easily, these are the statuses that you can see on your app as well, and as well on whatsapp.web. And if you want to create a new chat, you can click here. If you click on this new chat, you can select any contact with whom you want to communicate, and you can send them text or have a conversation with them very easily. And we have the menu option here. If you click on the menu option, you will find these options here itself. You can create a new group. You can check your own profile. You can see the archived chats here. As you can see, there are 38 archived chats. If you click here, you can find them. But if you have a lot of chat here going on, to find that, you can go to the menu and click on archived. And if you want to see any of the starred messages that you have, because when you are having conversation with a lot of people, if you want to save or bookmark any message, you can easily do that using starred messages. And the next option is labels. We have gone through labels in depth. You can check that video, and you can find the option here itself, labels, on the menu here in whatsapp.web. And if you want to check the settings and if you want to change some of the settings, you can definitely click here. You can change the notification. You can change like how many, like if you want to switch off the sounds, if you want to switch off the desktop alerts, you can definitely do that. And you can change the wallpaper color here itself. It's very easy and simple. And you can check the blocked list, how many people that you have blocked. You can check here very easily. And this is the logout option. This is very important thing for you, because if you're using whatsapp.web on public computer or a computer which is used by a lot of people, then if you don't log out and if you just close the desktop, if you don't log out and if you just close the Chrome or whatever that you're using, Firefox or Internet Explorer, the next person who will open up whatsapp.web, your whatsapp.web account will open up, and they can definitely read your messages and misuse your whatsapp.web. You do not want that. So every time you are using a public computer or a computer which is not used by you or used by more people than you, then you should definitely, after using it, click on log out and log out from your account, because you don't want people to misuse your WhatsApp business account. So in this video, we'll talk about how this course can help you get a job, start a new business, or become self-employed. So first off, we will start off with how you can use this skill that you're going to learn from this course to get a job. So if you're working in a company as a customer service agent or as a customer service representative, you can improve your value in the company itself by learning this skill, because this skill will help you communicate with a lot more customers, a lot more clients. And also, if you're working as a marketing executive where you have to deal with a lot of customers, you have to provide them with all the details regarding the product, the service, the business, WhatsApp business, and the skills that you're going to learn through this course will help you communicate with a lot of customers, and it will improve your reach and productivity. After learning this course, you can add this skill in your CV as well, and you can definitely ask for a raise and provide the knowledge. And you can also let your company and your boss know about the usage of WhatsApp business and how it can help your company grow and reach out to more and more customers. And after learning this skill, you can apply and work as a virtual assistant for a lot of freelancers or companies or small companies in other countries, especially US, UK, Australia, where they outsource their work. You can act as a marketing agent, you can act as a sales agent. On behalf of them, you can reach out to the customers through WhatsApp business and provide them details regarding the business, product, or service very easily. So how this skill can help you with your business? For example, if you have started a business or you are running a business, what is the most important thing? The most important thing in any business is customers. You want more and more customers for your business, be it through marketing, be it through sales, be it through any medium. What is your basic objective is to reach out to more and more customers and provide them details regarding your product, business, and service. Using WhatsApp business, as you have seen in this course, you can reach out to a lot of customers, because when you're calling or you're talking to a person or a customer over phone, you can just do it one person at a time. But using WhatsApp business, you can talk to a lot of people, more than 20-30 people simultaneously on WhatsApp business very easily. So using WhatsApp business, if you learn this skill, it will help you improve your customer service and customer outreach, so you can reach more and more customers and leads. And also it will help you with team management, because not only you can reach out to more customers and provide them details, but you can also manage your team, your sales team, your marketing team, your financial team. Any team that you have while running the business, you can keep track of them, you can communicate them, you can label them very easily, so you can understand what is going on in your business every day. And also, because you are having conversation through WhatsApp business, everything will be recorded and everything will be there in the WhatsApp business chat list. So whenever there is a requirement, if you want to recall something or if you want to recollect something, you can easily do a search on WhatsApp business and find out. Because what happens a lot of times is you have negotiated with someone and you have quoted someone maybe 10 rupees, maybe 20 rupees, but later on, after 20 days, your customer is saying, no, we agreed on 8 rupees. So at that point of time, this WhatsApp chat will act as an evidence, so you can show that yes, we had agreed on 15 rupees or 20 rupees. So you will be able to save yourself from losses and also keep track of whatever that you are having conversation with. So how this skill can help you with self-employment? So when you're self-employed or you're doing freelancing, you are the sole person who is running the show. You are doing sales, you are doing marketing, you are doing research, you are doing everything on time, and you have to be on time. If you lag behind, then your business or your self-employed business or your freelancing career will be hampered. You don't want that. Using WhatsApp business, you can improve your customer service and customer outreach, because you will be able to communicate and reach out to more and more customers very easily. And also, you will be able to do team management using groups and labels very easily. You will be able to communicate, keep track of what conversation is going on. You can manage multiple teams, multiple groups, multiple customers very easily using groups and labels. And also, you can communicate very easily with your customers or your new customers or your old customers, because you will be able to label them. And also, it will help you. WhatsApp business will help you to keep track of all the details that you are sending and receiving on WhatsApp business. Because what typically happens is, if you are giving out quotation to a lot of people, This might happen sometimes if you are not giving them a formal quotation over a mail. You might be negotiating over WhatsApp, and later on, for reference, you can use a WhatsApp chat to finalize and to figure out and to confirm the charges or the negotiation pricing or whatever the agreement that you had very easily. You won't be misled, or because not every time you remember everything, right? It is very tough to remember everything. Through WhatsApp Business, you can easily keep track of all the details that you have done or having conversation, whatever that you have sent and whatever that you have received on WhatsApp. Thank you for taking this course, and I hope that you found this course very useful and you were able to learn from the basics to the expert level of how you can use WhatsApp Business to run your business very easily and to expand your business. And this skill can help you in your job, in your business, and in your self-employment career or freelancing career. I hope you found this course useful. So if you have any question or queries, please feel free to reach out to us and we will definitely help you out with your doubts and with your queries. Thank you.